Well, hello, you wonderful people, and greetings from Tokyo, Japan. I'm currently in Shibuya and I'm walking around just checking some out, and I have just seen the strangest vending machine I've ever seen in my life. There's a bunch of trash from the ocean, and then there's just a can of beer. This is the strangest vending machine I've ever seen. If I am not mistaken, it is a Corona Extra vending machine. Right next to the vending machine is a bunch of flyers for a festival out in Okinawa. I don't think I'm going to make it, but I'm pretty sure it's in promotion of that. However, it's weird to see a bunch of plastic bottles with sea detritus inside of it. But as I always say, you can do it, I can do it, we can all do it. Stay groovy, have a wonderful day. Peace.